What's up, guys? Today is a full day. Here's 180, my customers, changing out the tires and changing the exhaust to new one. This was for inspection, registration, and changing it to new exhaust. Gotta go get these tires mounted, and I'm gonna try to put these. It's getting stretched quite a bit. Putting this on my rear of this R34 to get that little more stretch. So I have 265 on here, and those are 245. It has a slight stretch, gonna stretch it way more. And worked on this last night, raised it up for transportation. We're exporting this today. The transporter guy's coming to pick it up, so I have to raise it. This thing was a cool car. Now I'm working on the exhaust. Should be easy. Later today, the one car is showing up. Cool one. I'm stoked. Stay tuned for that car. Alright, exhaust is mounted. Honestly, sounds pretty good. This thing was heavy as shit. Here's the R34 four-door. Watch it till I open the hood on this thing. Let's open the hood on this thing. Bone stock, clean inside. Let's see. You guessed it. RB26. Big single top mount with the Nismo intake. Crazy. Wish it was mine, but this is EOT's. Josh bought it. Let's start it. I'm just receiving it for him. Sounds like a big cam. This thing is finally be gone. Off to Germany. Tow truck just came, about to load it up. Loaded and off to Germany. Gonna go tire shop and mount those tires, and let's see if this is gonna fit, if this wood works. This is first time, but damn, this seems like as wide as what I have on right now. Gonna cut 2x4 this thing. So this is what I'm doing. Hope this works. If it doesn't, I'll be pissed. Here it is. I never done this, but I saw it online. Hopefully it works. We'll see. I got 2x4s and cut it up and stretching the tire, forming it so it's easier to pop bees. Yes, sir. Let's see. This is 265 and this is 245 on the 11J. Get that stretch. All right, just got to the tire shop. This works, I'll be super stoked. Yoかった。Yeah. Beat pop. すごい。So this wood trick works. So hyped. So hyped on this stretch tire. Mean stretch. And Egg White Johnny Boy came over. What wheel did you get?
I don't know.
Is this yours? Or is this mine? I guess Johnny Boy's retiring pink wheel. Let's see what he got.
They got the shit out of this thing.
Let's see what he got.
Is this the right side?
Hurry. Ooh-hoo-hoo. You wanna switch faces?
No.
Dang, you got a fat boy. That's a fat face. Like 5-inch lip? What? Oh yeah, we're BSKF gang now.
With the red caps, boy.
Yeah, I need a red cap. What do you guys think? Red? Yeah, red will be hard on this.
Red caps, boy.
Woohoo! Alright, we're gonna throw this on his S15.
And slam it.
It's already slammed.
No, it's not.
Ooh! Pink is off. Ooh! I just went inside. This fool already put it on. Ooh! BSKF is shining, boy. Shiny. So good. Alright, onto the rear. You gotta take spacer off.
I think so. You said this was -6.
Johnny's putting
Well, that's a +25.
Well, just put it on. See?
And pink. I think perfect.
Perfect. Damn, no spacer. 11J -6 or so.
11.5.
Or 11.5. Jesus. Damn. Changes the whole look of the car. This is like unpainted car. Johnny's like, I could have painted the car, but I told him this is like you wearing sweatshirt with the Air Force One. Damn. Fat ass. She. Johnny, we got it on point. 11J, fit it on S15. Look, 11.5. My bad. Look at that fitment. That's how we like it. That's how we like it.
That's 6.
No rub. Looks like not even pinky. Yes, one side done. It's the other side. Johnny, do you live at my house or something?
Yeah, pretty much. I sleep with your dog.
Alright, Johnny came over. He said he was rubbing, found the solution. Well, previous owner raised the arch, cut it, but didn't cut high enough. So it's rubbing here. So he just took the over fender off. We're gonna take wheels off and then hammer the shit out of it.
Don't do this at home.
No, do this at your home. looks better and better. Gonna lower like 1 more inch. Join the camber gang. Yeah, we just hammered it out. Very nice. It was hitting like right here. We probably raised like an inch. Now he's gonna do this side. I'm gonna wire brush this silicone all off. We probably rivet a couple spots and silicone again. Spray painted and siliconed the gap. Well, we finished. Rear looks awesome. Gonna camber in and lower the front a little bit and get alignment. I think I gotta end the vlog here. Thanks for watching me and Johnny fuck with this car. Smash that like button for me though. And watch it one more time if you want. See you next time.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, that's a fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. We know how to make it rain in the bedroom. We don't need a club, got our own groove. Coming at the same time, yeah. You don't got a dime for us. Want me make it rain in the bedroom. We don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. Want me make it rain in the bedroom. Want me make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's